Good morning, second graders. I hope that you had a marvelous Monday yesterday and we're off to start a terrific Tuesday. Yesterday, we reviewed subjects and predicates. Excuse me. And today, we're going to be talking about writing an informational paragraph, okay? Hopefully, you have already started working with writing in paragraph form with your other second grade teachers. And if you have not, don't worry, we'll go through this together and help you successfully write a paragraph. So if you'll notice, looking at my paper below, an informational paragraph gives facts about one main idea or topic. Okay, one. So you will focus on one particular animal to do this week. And also you get to choose. An informational paragraph also gives details that support the main idea. Okay, and we're going to look at a model here together today. All right, so we know what an informational paragraph is. Now we're going to talk about the parts of it once again. Parts of an informational paragraph. A topic sentence that states the main idea. Remember, your main idea sentence is what all your other sentences are going to be about. And with the second graders that I've worked with so far, we have discussed color coding if it helps you to help you write a paragraph. So we decided that since we're going into a new paragraph, that our main idea or our topic sentence would be underlined in green because you're going into a new paragraph, okay? Then next, we go into our supporting details that tell about the main idea, okay? And if we're writing an informational paragraph, these details need to be facts that can be proved true, all right? We do those in bright yellow because we're being warned to slow down and do our best in those details. And it is more than one sentence. I have taught my second graders so far at least 3 detailed sentences in the middle of your paragraph. And then finally, after you finish sharing those ideas, you want to tie all those ideas up together and write a good closing sentence, okay? And we said that we would color code that with red because you're stopping all those ideas about that one topic and you're ready to move on to something different. Okay, so main idea green, details are yellow, warning us to slow down, right? And write lots of good facts and details. And then when we get ready to end the paragraph and stop that paragraph, we color code that with red. So let's look at this example, okay, about one of our animals. Polar bears live in dens in the far north, okay? So we know the main idea of this paragraph is that polar bears live in dens. So the rest of these sentences should be about their dens, okay, and what happens in those dens. Look at the next sentence. They dig the dens out of snow and ice. That is a great first detailed sentence, isn't it? It tells us one of the ways that they make their den. And it's focused on that main idea. Their fur helps them stay warm in their cold, snowy home. Okay? So that's another detail. But notice that's just 2 detailed sentences. That's not enough for a complete paragraph about these polar bears living in their dens, is it? So notice our next detailed sentence. Sometimes they dig their homes in the middle of a snowbank. Okay? Once again, details about how they make the den that they live in. Most polar bears dig their dens in the fall. So we've learned how they dig their homes, okay, what they use, how they do it, and now we have a detail of when. When do they dig those homes? cubs. Okay. Then they give birth to the cubs in the winter. Okay. So what's happening in that den? Then they give birth to cubs in the winter. The mother bear stays in the den with the cubs until the spring. Another great detail. And she does this. Why does she stay in the den? She helps keep them safe. All right. So we've answered a lot of important questions about the dens that polar bears live in. And now we're ready to sum everything up. Okay. Notice our ending sentence for this paragraph. A polar bear's den makes a good home. Okay. And that ends our paragraph, our writing about a polar bear living in a den. Okay, just wanted to point one other thing out to you real quickly. When you write an informational paragraph, or really any type of paragraph, a good thing to do is to include transition words, because you're moving from one idea to the next. And we notice here that the word sometimes and the word then are in bold print, and they were written that way to show you that the use of transition words are very useful. Okay, some other transitions words that we sometimes see in paragraphs are first, next, one thing, another example, also, at times. Okay, there's lots of transition words out there, and we would like to see you including those in your paragraphs. All right, so this is our lesson for today. Your job today is to choose which animal from our selection this week you want to focus in on to do your paragraph about, because tomorrow I will start leading you through how to create your own paragraph in your writing. So select your animal, have that thought ready for tomorrow, and I will see you Wednesday. Bye.